Hey there, it's Andrew Monaghan with the Monaghan Group at Real Brokerage, and today we're going to be talking about appraisals, some different questions that have come up in regards to it, specifically what happens if my house doesn't appraise after we've accepted an offer. There's a couple of different things that happens contractually on that basis. The bank will only lend on the lower of the appraised value or the sales price. If the appraisal comes in low, which means that we've got a sales price listed at, let's say, $400,000, it appraises at $350,000. The options that come out right now, first of all, is the buyer can come up and pay the difference. So if we're going to put 20% down, they'll put that different added $50,000 into the closing costs. The second side of it is that the seller can actually make up the difference or reduce the sales price. So we'll end up taking the property price down to $350,000. Another option is we negotiate, we meet in the middle. And a fourth option that's out there is we can challenge the appraisal. We go back out to the appraiser itself and we talk about it. We present them with the comps that we used for making our offer and comps we used for listing the property, so we know where the value actually is. And at times the appraisal will actually change the price. As I tell all of my clients, we end up having to sell the house 4 different times. First of all, we have to sell it to the market, get it out there into the internet and help the buyers find the property. Secondly, we have to sell it to the buyers. The buyers are coming into and they've narrowed down their selection, so we have to win that beauty contest. Third, we have to sell it to the agents that actually has the buyers. Oftentimes we'd love to sell every home ourselves, but realistically, if we're doing right by the seller, we want to open it up to as many people as possible. And then lastly, we have to sell it to the appraiser. So our goal is always to work with all 4 aspects of it to make sure that we can alleviate any pain points that comes up for you. So I hope this answered all of your questions in regards to the appraisal side of things. If you have any more questions on this or anything in regards to real estate, just reach out to me at the information below and I'll be happy to talk to you one-on-one or bring you to the next time we do some videos. Thank you so much and appreciate you watching.